Select a fraction that will make the statement true. Okay, in this case we have to look for a fraction that will make the statement true. That means we need to look a fraction that is lower or smaller than 2/5. So for doing that, we need to take all the denominators of all the fraction denominators, and that denominators are 5, 4, 4, 2, 2, and 5. So we have taken all the denominators, and we are going to determine the least common multiple. The least common multiple of all the denominators. So we start dividing by 2. We start dividing by 2, that is a prime number. So it's 2, 2, and 1. Then we continue dividing by 2. So we get, we again divide by 2. 1, 1, and now we divide by 5. So we get 1 and 1. So when you get all the numbers equal to 1, that's the end for the least common multiple. Now we only have to multiply all these factors. I mean 2 times 2 times 5. 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 5 is 20. So now we know the least common multiple. Least common multiple is 20. What are we going to do with the least common multiple? We are going to use the least common multiple to become all the fractions homogeneous. That means all the fractions must be homogeneous fraction to be easier to make the comparison. So the first fraction, that is 2/5, must have 20 in the denominator. So we multiply each one its element by 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. 5 times 4 is 20. So that's the fraction. This fraction is 8/20. Now a quarter. A quarter also we must make this fraction homogeneous. So we multiply by 5 to get 20. So it's 1 times 5 is 5. 4 times 5 is 5. It's 20. So the third fraction is 5/20. That's for the first one. So we are going to change that. Okay, this way is better. So this first fraction is 5/20. It's an equivalent fraction. Okay, now the next one is 3/4. I mean 3/4. 3/4 is right. Okay, so we multiply by 5. So we get 15/20. The next one is a half. So we multiply by 10. 1 times 10 is 10. 2 times 10 is 20. And the last one, that is 4/5, we multiply by 4. So it's 4 times 4 is 16, and 5 times 4 is 20. So these are the homogeneous fractions, are equivalent to the first fraction we saw in the exercise. Now we are going to look what fraction make the statement true. This is 8/20, and we are looking for a fraction that is smaller or lower than 8/20. In this case, the only fraction make the statement true is 5/20. 5/20 is smaller than 8/20. The others don't make the statement true, because this is 15, 10, and 16. These three fractions are bigger than 8/20. So in this case, the answer is the first alternative. The answer is 1/4, or I mean 1/4. That's the correct answer for this question. So I hope you have understand my English and the solution of the exercise, and you continue visiting the channel.